To be competitive as a business owner, you'll need to embrace some aspect of digital marketing. It's vital for your business and brand awareness. But as a new business owner, digital marketing has so many options and strategies associated with it, it can be daunting. I'm going to walk you through my suggestions for kickstarting your digital marketing. So you have a great idea or ambition to open up a tuning garage or an automotive shop, but are limited in time and budget for marketing. This sounds like most of the shops we work with. The easiest and quickest way is by using digital tactics and channels to connect with customers where they spend much of their time, online. We all know if you're not doing digital marketing, you could be missing out on significant value, including new customers, insight into your brand, audience and engagement opportunities with customers and competitors alike. Plus, things like social media can be highly cost-effective ways to reach your customers in a personalized way. In this video, I'll go over 3 things to kickstart your social media. Our Driven Show YouTube channel brings you the business of the automotive industry. And if this is something you're interested in, please consider subscribing. First, let's create a website. Let's face it, we live in a world where people Google before they shop. Make sure your business is well represented on the search site first and foremost by creating a website. Your website should be well designed, otherwise don't have one. So watch out for free website platforms that may be easy but will have affiliate links and badges that make your site look unprofessional. On the flip side, don't overdo it on the professional side either. By that I mean make sure it's not bloated with media and content that requires constant upkeep. Keeping it lightweight will help with search engine optimization. It's a key to getting your shop shown higher in the Google ranks. WordPress and Shopify are popular web platforms that offer responsive templates you can customize. Start with a template that is simple and to the point about what makes your shop special and include contact and social media info. The next step, which I find critical, is to set up Google My Business. It is a free and easy to use tool for businesses and organizations to manage their online presence across Google, including search and maps, and it is the best way to boost your local presence, and they have found that customers are 50% more likely to use businesses that have a Google My Business. Next important thing to do is to create a Facebook page. While websites are typically designed to profile a business, personal brand, or product, social media sites are typically designed to allow your business to connect and network. Facebook is a highly popular social media network with a varied audience, with over 2.7 billion active monthly users as of 2020. As such, every business should have a Facebook page. When used correctly, a Facebook page can be invaluable to your garage. You can use Facebook to share everything from projects to important company updates. I've found the most effective Facebook pages create interaction with existing and potential customers, even if it's only partially relevant to your business. Interaction is a key to getting your content shared. There are a host of other advertising features available that are simple to use. Facebook Messenger is also a very powerful tool, as many people use it exclusively as a chat program. But be careful. If you're going to be using Messenger, make sure you reply in a timely and professional manner. Otherwise, you're better off turning it off, because sometimes people will get very annoyed if you're not responding in a timely fashion. In that case, just provide your email and maybe a shop phone number. Instagram is also an incredibly popular and powerful tool with about 1 billion active users in 2020. From Instagram Live to Instagram Stories, there's no shortage of tools businesses can use to promote their services and products on this mobile app. Instagram is a visual platform based entirely on photo and video posts. So as a tuning shop, this should be very easy for you. However, be careful not to make your posts look like ads. Like Facebook, Instagram has built-in filters that suppress visibility if your posts are overly templated or have too much text. The best Instagram posters I've found are the ones that tell a story, create engagement with your content. So there you have it. My 3 Kickstarter things to do when you're establishing a foundation for digital marketing. I'll put some good references in the description that are more generic business digital marketing strategies, but it's critical you start by identifying and defining your goals, since you'll craft your strategy differently based on what your goals are. Then measure your success and alter as necessary. Feel free to drop a comment below on your experiences and if you have any questions. We'll deep dive into these topics and more in the future, so make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications, and we'll see you on the next video.